Hey gang, so I've had a few weeks off, and the reason being is, as you can tell by me sitting on the wrong side of the car, I'm in America. So I'm on my honeymoon with my beautiful wife. Finally, it's taken a year, but we've finally been able to afford it. Probably help if I wasn't building a race car, that might make it a bit easier to afford. But yes, anyway, next clip we'll be back in Australia and we'll be back working on the Nugget. Because at the moment, I'm in a really crappy, cheap Nissan, and I swear to God the Nugget has more power than this thing. It is horrible. Okay, let's go back to the shop. G'day gang, so I lied, we're not in the workshop. We're actually on our way to Winton to go and see our mate Benrys boot around in his LS2 powered S14. We're in a car with my mate Kempy.
G'day mates.
His lovely GTS Lavorg, which I very much like. It's a bit on fuel than the Sora, so I thought we'd bring this. But yeah, we'll try and get some onboard footage with Benrys. He said he's going to take me for a burn around, which would be cool. So we'll stick the GoPro in there and show you some other pretty cars before we get back in the workshop. I'm going to save some money before I do anything else anyway. I've got no money left after my holiday, so we'll save up and we'll slowly get back to finishing this car. To Winton. Go for a bit of a burn. Ah! Right, we're in Benrys S14 with an LS2. About to go for a spin. How you feeling, Benrys?
Ready to go? Time to get out there and lay some rubber down.
Car's good. It's got a brand new power steering pump in it. It's got an electric pump out of an Astra, so we don't have power steering problems now. We got a new S14 dash, which looks the works. Passenger seat's a bit on the high side, but we'll deal with that later.
Yeah, that's next year's problem.
We've got some other nice cars out with us, the Evo. And I don't know, what have we got there? S14?
I can't see behind me.
We've got a little CRX here that's pretty quick. That's who Benrys aiming for today. We're going to kick his butt. We've got the power, he's got the cornering. I like also that we put this little plate here so we don't have to look at the road. Because you used to have to look at the road through there. I don't like that. Alrighty. Time to go. So, Benrys, got a bit of issues.
Yeah, someone did an oil change and didn't breathe the dipstick properly.
Yeah, got a little bit too much oil in the car, so it decided to come out of the breathers. Got a bit of smoke in the car. It's all right. I had my hand on the belt and on the door handle, ready to just screw you, Benrys, I'm out. But luckily there was no fire, so that's good. But now we're just draining a bit of oil and good to go.
Sends it.
Here's Benrys' new power steering pump, the electric one, which sounds like a jet taking off when he starts up. So we've camped ourselves, oh God, come on steady cam. We've camped ourselves at the back of Winton, so we've got a good view of the track. I went out for a run with Benrys. It was pretty fun, but we had a bit of quite a bit of smoke coming in the car. Turns out we had a bit, the dipstick was a bit dodgy. We had a bit too much oil in there and it was coming out the breather. No big deal, but yeah. Anyway, so he's all fixed up now and hopefully he'll be back out soon. So we'll get some video of that. I've got my, oh, come on steady cam. Got my camera set up and we're just here at the back of the track. So, pretty cool spot. It's good times. Cheers. Cheers. Skid day going on here, JZX 100 Club I think, and yeah, much tyres burning. So Benrys is fixing this as an oil issue, unfortunately. But regardless of the car trying to catch fire all the time, what happened with your time? Did something?
Yeah, we did something special. We got fastest time on the day.
Fastest time of the day.
Period.
Just to give us an example of what other cars are here. What do we got? Maybe
around here we've got a couple of Evos. There's Evo 10s. There's a few 9s and 8s as well.
Did I hear something about a GT3 Porsche as well?
Yeah, all right, yes.
GT3
Cam,
Porsche?
yes, there was a GT3 Porsche as well. So
nice guy. Like, we're not saying anything about him. He's a lovely guy, lovely car, but the old Frankenstein monster seemed to do pretty well.
For the 3 minutes of power that it had.
Yeah. Doesn't matter whether you win by an inch or no.
No,
Terrible,
we can't.
terrible,
It's horrible.
terrible. Anyway, just working out now how to tweak this oil thing so Benrys can go out and thrash his own time. Alrighty, we've rerouted some oil breathers. This guy over here back into the oil catch can, and we've blocked off that one because we found out we don't need it. Now Benrys is going to go and just absolutely blitz this lap. Just
129.
129. That is ambitious. Benrys. How'd that one go?
Yeah, it did a little bit better. Got a PB, 32.5.
Just knocked another second off. These are good times. Well played, sir. Well played. Alright, we're off.
Alright, cool.
See you, Benrys.
Ciao,
Thanks,
for
mate. Thanks for the ride. See the ride, Campy. Alrighty, so we're on our way home now. This was just a little video, just in the interim while I'm still saving up to finish up the Nugget. Sorry the videos have been a little sporadic, but yeah, you know, got other things to do in life until this car's built, so we'll save up for the roll cage, and next vid we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a service, like basically how to service a car, since I've got a few viewers on here that are pretty new to cars and stuff like that, so this be I've got to do it all anyway. I've got to do the plugs and the belts and hoses on the Nugget, so we'll do all that, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and also I want to take out all the sound deadening in the back of the car, so we're going to use a bit of dry ice and get that done, which will be pretty cool. Yeah, so that'll be for the next vid. I hope you enjoyed something a little different today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for driving, Campy.
No worries, man.
Good man. See you guys later. Whoa!
What happened then?
Nearly. Oh, I did not like that though.